Welcome. If you're curious about how to reveal spoiler text in the Telegram app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Telegram's spoiler feature is perfect for hiding sensitive details, like movie endings or plot twists, until you're ready to see them. Here's exactly how you can show spoiler text in just a few simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so you have access to all the newest features, including spoiler formatting. Once the app is open, head over to the chat or group where you've received a message with hidden spoiler text. You'll recognize spoiler text because it appears blurred out or covered, making it impossible to read at first glance. Next, find the specific message that contains the spoiler. Spoiler text stands out with a fuzzy or clouded appearance, so it's easy to spot. Now, here's the best part, revealing what's hidden. All you need to do is click directly on the blurred spoiler text. Instantly, the hidden content will become visible, and you'll see the message in full clarity. This feature is designed to give you control over what you see and when you see it. It's especially useful in group chats where people might be discussing books, movies, or games and want to avoid ruining surprises for others. Remember, the spoiler text stays hidden for everyone until they choose to click and reveal it themselves. To recap, here are the quick steps. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Enter the chat with the spoiler text. Click on the blurred spoiler text to reveal it. That's all it takes. With this update, Telegram makes it easy to keep surprises safe and let everyone enjoy content at their own pace. Try it out the next time you encounter a spoiler and enjoy a more considerate chat experience.